Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you 4 LinkedIn job search strategies that will increase your chances of landing a solid job on LinkedIn. Let's go. So this is my live LinkedIn profile, and the first way we are going to do search for jobs is using the LinkedIn search bar on the top left here. So simply we are going to type 2 keywords, okay? So the first keyword we are going to type is hiring, as you can see here on my screen. Please make sure you put it in the quotes, because that's how LinkedIn search will exactly look for those words. Okay, so hiring, and then in capital letters you need to write AND, A-N-D, because that's the logical operator LinkedIn search uses. Okay, so that's AND, followed by, again in double quotes, the job title that you are looking out for. So for example, project manager. So let us take an example of project manager here. Again, close double quotes and then search. What you will see is bunch of results coming here. Simply go ahead and filter by post. Click on posts and boom, you see the first post here that somebody has posted is project manager roles, multiple cities across India. So simply you could have a look at this and click on this link here. For example, it opens a new window. And there you go. You can see the project manager job responsibility, and it basically takes you to a different site. The point here is that somebody is giving referral here. So if you read this link here, the URL of this is referral here. So if you reach out to Vikas in this example and ask them to refer you, there is a great chance that you might be able to get an interview call here. And also you can reach out to Manish Goel here, because he seems to be the hiring manager. If he is the delivery operations manager, he might be looking out for project manager roles. The reason that people post jobs like this is not every company will spend money on LinkedIn account, because if they want to post jobs here in the job section, they will have to have licenses with LinkedIn and they will have to pay money, right? So this way you are reaching out to the jobs that are potentially not available in the job section. So go ahead and explore this. So let's go down next here. This is not a post. This is not a job post, but it might be useful information if you're looking out for project manager jobs. So read through that. Again, this one is not, this one doesn't seem to be important as well. Not this one as well. If I keep going, again here we are hiring. So we are hiring. So this one, again, you can go ahead and look at this link as well. Okay. That's another one. If we keep going, this is not relevant. If you scroll again, look here again, this one, I'm hiring. Martin, for example, is hiring for IT project manager roles. Now, again, the location of these roles will depend on your network that you've built on LinkedIn. For me, example, I've got 75,000 people in my network globally. Therefore, I'm able to see across the globe job opportunities by this method. So PwC, for example, here they are hiring and looking for experienced project managers. Please let me know if you're interested. Again, it's a great opportunity for you to, for example, reach out to ND, introduce yourself, and then ask for a referral potentially. And this is where you can cut some of the competition. If you apply through the job section, which anyways you must do, the chances of you getting shortlisted is slightly low, because everybody's applying to those jobs, versus here you can potentially get referred by somebody, like if you happen to know them. And even if you don't know them, it doesn't really harm you to reach out to them, and potentially you might get an interview. That's one way of doing it. The second thing I would suggest, once you've done this, please go to sort by filter, and rather than top match, select latest. Okay. Now what happens is, if you select latest, LinkedIn is going to show you slightly different results, right? So therefore always click that and check it out. So let's have a look at this. So you see here, for example, EY is hiring for support associates. Again, may be relevant for you if you are in US. If you're not in US, may not be relevant for you. Look here, this is again summer vacation, so that's not relevant potentially. Temporary contract positions, again, this might be useful for some of the people who are looking out for contract roles here as well. So again, go through these posts. Somebody's hiring here. If you project manager with SAP background, so again, a great opportunity with somebody who's already working in that area. You can reach out to them. They've given their email address. You can introduce yourself, and you see there are no likes and comments in this post yet. So you have a great chance to get referral here. So this is one way in which you can simply utilize LinkedIn search and try and reach out to as many posts as possible, right? If you like the first tip, please give this video a thumbs up. That will mean a lot to me. Moving on to tip number 2, it is very, very, very important that we optimize our LinkedIn headline. Okay, and the key reason that I'm going to prove right now is that whenever recruiters are looking out and searching for candidates on LinkedIn, the very first thing that LinkedIn algorithm will do is match the search keywords that they're using versus what you have on your LinkedIn profile. So just to prove this concept, let us have a look at my search appearances. So you see, if I click on my search appearances, my LinkedIn profile has appeared 1975 times in just last 1 week. Okay. More importantly, if you look at the keywords my LinkedIn profile was found for, you will see that I've been found for program manager, engineer, farmer, manager, and executive director, right? Now, the keyword there you see is farmer. That literally proves because I have the farmer in my headline. And in fact, my headline starts with, if I just go back and show it to you, if you see this, my LinkedIn headline starts and have this keyword farmer. So whenever anybody is typing in the search farmer as a keyword, LinkedIn is going and finding my LinkedIn profile potentially and showing it to them, right? So think about it in this way, that whatever job titles that you want to be searched for by recruiters, you need to make sure those job titles are listed here. Okay, so many people I see, there is a limit here for this headline, and many people what they do is they waste this limit by not putting the job titles and specific keywords. So if you're looking out, for example, let's say for project manager job, please make sure you have project manager here as a job title. In cases where you've not worked as a project manager, it's okay, you might still say aspiring project manager, but you got to make sure that you use those keywords and job titles that come on your headline, because you want to make sure that recruiters, when they're doing the searches, your LinkedIn profile is appearing on searches. Tip number 3 is very simple and straightforward. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to simply follow few specific hashtags on LinkedIn, so that any job postings that include that hashtag, they are all combined in one single view. Okay, so let me show it to you very quickly. So if, for example, if you go to your LinkedIn search on the top left and just let us say click on hashtag hiring. Okay, that's a good one to follow. So just click on hiring here. You will see that roughly 2.8 million people are following this hashtag. And if you look at this here, there are a variety of jobs that are being posted using this hashtag. That might be a limitation, that might be a good thing, right? Because if you're only looking for a specific job title, you're not going to get that filtered view, unfortunately. But for example, here somebody's posted, we are looking for project managers. If I keep scrolling here, I'm hiring. If you know somebody, please let us know. Again, here somebody's posting different types of jobs, sales jobs here, senior software developer. So all sorts of jobs are coming using this hashtag hiring, right? Machine learning engineer. The problem is that it is not giving you a filtered view, but by using this hashtag, you can see that how many jobs are coming in your view, and you can potentially go ahead and connect with those recruiters, send them messages, and potentially it will get you more opportunities to look for jobs. Last tip, and tip number 4, is to try and understand what is the salary a job is paying. Many a times recruiters do not really publish any salaries. We can't really get around that problem, but on LinkedIn we can use the salary filter to at least understand what is the range of a job if a recruiter has specified it in the LinkedIn database. So let me quickly show it to you. So if we head to our job section here, let me quickly pick my recent job searches, let's say project manager. So what we see, for example, the first role here, at least somebody has specified a limit or the salary range, but not all the project manager jobs here will display the salary range, right? So please make sure you can use these filters. So go to your all filters, scroll down, and you will see a salary filter here. So let us say we want to get to 40,000 plus only. So see here, 521 results, click on it. So all of these jobs hopefully are going to pay you more than 40,000 pounds. So at least if you know what is the salary you're looking for, you can buy this way, reduce your efforts. Look, still they have not specified any salaries here, right? There is no salary here, but because when they were posting this job, they would have mentioned a range, and that is what LinkedIn salary filter is giving you. And There is nowhere they have mentioned salary here which is visible to candidates, but at least by using that filter, you know that from the back end, hopefully the salary of this job is likely to be 40,000 plus. Now it could be anything. It could be 50,000, 60,000 pounds in my example, but I hope you get the point that at least you know the lower end of this salary. And now based on this information, you might choose the jobs that you want to apply for. That's it in this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions in the comment section and I'll try and answer as many as possible. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing now, because I really create content on career and finance, and specifically on LinkedIn as well. I hope you have a great day. See you.